Misty here. I'm a design team member for StampAnniething. Welcome to the StampAnniething YouTube channel and the first day previews for the September 2022 stamp release. I'm so excited to be sharing the products with you. Today I'll be sharing with you the stencil and the dies and our first character. And over the next 2 days, I'll be sharing not only the new products with you, but also projects from the design team. If you would like to see more, be sure that you subscribe to this YouTube channel and turn on your post notifications, but also follow the link in the description box down below that will take you to the Facebook group where you will see more inspiration and have an opportunity to interact with the design team. So I am so excited to share this with you today. I am going to be sharing with you not only the products that will be available on Friday, but also design team projects. And I'm super excited to share that with you. So let us begin. If you are interested in any of these projects, again, they'll be available on Friday. But if you haven't already, be sure to check out the Stamp Club. There are 3 different levels. It is open internationally, so when you follow the link, be sure you click international if you are outside of the US or Canada. So there are 3 different tiers. The first tier is where you just get the stamps and you get a discount to the shop. The second one is when you get these stamps and their coordinating dies, and there are other discounts and goodies to go along. And then the final is where you get everything, where you want all of it, along with other discounts, etc. And again, all of that information will be linked in the description box down below. So per usual, we have a stencil, a word die, a builder die, and I'm going to share with you one of the first characters. While I do this, be sure to leave me in the comments down below what you think this month's theme might be. So let's start with our stencil. So this is a Mylar stencil, and this is called Ocean Tide. So you can see it's meant to look like waves for the ocean. But if you turn it either upside down or on the side, it could also be filigree for like a really pretty, elegant background. So that would be one way that you can stretch your stencils. And again, this is the Ocean Tide stencil. It's time to get naughty. We've got a naughty word die. So we have just the script, but we also have the script, or excuse me, the word with a rope or a chain that runs through it. And this word comes with an outline die. So that's really, really fun and a really fun play on words. Next, we have the cruise ship die. So you can make a cruise ship. This can be windows. It could be the top upper deck. I've never been on a cruise, so don't quote me. This could be at the dock, or it could also be part of the railing on the cruise ship. So really fun, and we can't wait to see what you create. To be sure to tag StampAnniething for your chance to win a monthly prize. And again, I will have all of that information down in the description box down below. And then last but not least is our chibi character for this month, or one of our chibi characters for this month, I should say. This is Mel, time to get naughty. He is adorable. So you have a little chibi character. He's the captain. So he's got his captain hat. He's got his cute little uniform. I love his little legs and his socks and his loafers. I just think that is so stinking adorable. The little bitty legs peeking out. And I don't know, anytime I see people with knee socks and either flip-flops or tennis shoes or something, it just cracks me up every single time. And with him, there's the coordinating outline die, but you get 3 sentiments. So you get Bon Voyage, time to get naughty, and enjoy your trip. So really, really fun. Such a fun and cute release. And again, we have the Ocean Tide stencil. We have the naughty word dies. We have the cruise ship builder die. And then our first chibi character is Mel, time to get naughty. So if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments down below. As I mentioned, don't forget to subscribe. We hope to be more active on the YouTube channel going forward. I will be back tomorrow with more inspiration from the design team, along with the next chibi character for our previews. And again, all of these products will be available on Friday. So that's it. Thank you so much for joining us today. We really do appreciate you, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye for now.